Have you ever thought whether the watch you're wearing is actually accurate or not? Like down to the second? Or why do you have to fiddle with the date every couple of months? Or can your watch handle leap years without throwing you off? Or can it track multiple time zones with just a twist of the crown? What if your watch could correct itself every single day with the precision of an atomic clock? That's the promise of a radio-controlled timepiece. And today, we are going to review the watch that promises to deliver it all. And let's find out if the claims are any true. Before we get started, if you love watches as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more wristworthy content. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. Today we have with us the Citizen CB0250. Citizen is often considered as an underrated watch brand. Despite the superior accuracy and convenience of quartz technology, especially the eco-drive, most watch enthusiasts still favor mechanical movements. This bias leads quartz-dominant brands like Citizen being undervalued. Citizen's market strategy often focuses on value propositions of their watches, rather than cultivating an exclusive or luxury image. Their wide availability in department stores and online retailers might also contribute to a less exclusive perception compared to brands with more selective distributions. Now, let's quickly check the dimensions first. The case diameter is 43 mm, thickness is 9.9, lug width is 23 mm, which is a bummer, if you ask, and lug to lug is 47 mm. The case and the bracelet are made up of stainless steel. The sides and the bezel are brushed and has glossy sheen around the bezel. The bracelet is also done in dual finish, polished and brushed. It's a three-link design and the clasp has double push buckle with Citizen branding. The bracelet has 10 removable links. Unfortunately, there are no micro adjustment holes. The watch uses sapphire crystal, which is a must-have at this price point. The dial is just amazing. It has got this layered look. The fixed chapter ring has series names mentioned, which ties into its wall time function. The date window is at 3 o'clock. The summer time function is between 4 and 5. And the signal receiving function is between 8:30 and 9:30. The hands are luminous, but it feels a bit less. The crown is a push and pull type, and it is protected by these grooves. There are two pushers on the watch, using which we can toggle between various functions, but you will have to use a toothpick to push them. The watch uses Citizen H145 eco-drive radio-controlled movement. This is where the magic happens. Now, this isn't just your standard eco-drive movement. It is radio-controlled. That means it syncs with atomic clock around the world. And we are talking accuracy to within a second every 100,000 years. I'm serious about this. And without the time signal reception, it's within plus minus 15 seconds per month. And here is how it works. The watch picks up the radio signals from transmitters, which are basically time signals from atomic clock. It decodes those signals and adjusts the hands automatically. This function works in Japan, US, Germany, China, and some other European parts. Sadly, this feature will not work in India. The user manual suggests to connect to a Chinese radio tower for the radio-controlled feature. However, due to the regulatory restrictions and the tower's distance, which is approximately 5,000 kilometers away, it won't function in India. Radio-controlled feature typically works within the range of 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers from the tower. That said, the watch still offers fantastic features like wall time function and a perpetual calendar. They all work perfectly. The only limitation is it won't receive radio signals while in India. Still, radio-controlled timekeeping remains one of the coolest and most advanced complications a watch can have. Those city codes on the bezel, you just line up the second hand and boom, instant time zone change. And here is some history behind the radio-controlled watches for watch enthusiasts like me. The radio-controlled tech came to life when the atomic clocks were invented in the early 20th century. Japan and Germany were the first ones to make the tech commercial. Citizen and Casio were the first to put this tech in their watches. While they are still the leading manufacturers, other brands are also using this tech in their watches. But the watch is not limited to the radio control feature. It has got something more: perpetual calendar, energy saving mode, battery discharge indicator with 2-second interval movement, World time function for 26 different time zones, 100 meters of water resistance, and it's anti-magnetic. I purchased the watch from Desert Cart and paid 25,000 Indian rupees, which is equal to $290. And here are the pros and cons of the watch. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. And let's see how it goes on my 7-inch wrist. Putting on this watch on the wrist is a really interesting experience. The watch definitely has a presence and the size is just right. Not too big to be overpowering, but good enough to catch the eye. The bracelet gives it a stealthy look. It's a kind of a watch that goes just as well with a casual outfit as it does with something a bit dressier. The bracelet feels comfortable and links are smooth. It wraps around the wrist nicely and the clasp feels secure. Looking at the dial, there is a lot going on, but it's surprisingly easy to read. The hands and the markers stand out. The wall time bezel adds a cool functional touch. It's fun to just glance down and see the time. Overall, the Citizen CB0250 gives you the feeling of quality and precision without being flashy or over the top. It's a watch that you can wear every day and appreciate for its comfort, accuracy, and understated style. In conclusion, the Citizen CB0250 is a winner. It's accurate, durable, and looks fantastic. This watch is a standout piece for those who prioritize accuracy and convenience in their timepiece. Definitely not for my wife. With its radio-controlled eco-drive movement, it delivers exceptional precision and eliminates the need of battery replacement and offers a truly set-it-and-forget-it experience. The added functionality of the world time and perpetual calendar further enhances its appeal and makes it a reliable companion for both daily wear and travel. For those who are seeking a technologically advanced watch that blends seamlessly with everyday style, the Citizen CB0250 is a compelling choice. What are your thoughts on Citizen radio-controlled watch? Does its blend of accuracy and convenience resonate with you? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and remember, time is of the essence and having a reliable timepiece is the key. If this video has helped you in deciding Citizen 0250 as your next watch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wrist-worthy content. That's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.